Hello, everyone. I am just making a short recording here to go over the directions for our new history assignments. If you take a look at this Google link here that I'm going to give you, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this link and you are going to see all of these tasks listed here. The first thing you're going to do, if you haven't done so already, is you're going to make a copy of this. So you're going to come up to File. And then you're going to come down to download and you're going to download this as a Microsoft Word document. What you're going to do every day is you're going to be saving this Microsoft Word document to your computer or your history folder. All right, so here we have on the left-hand side here, you kind of see the heading view. It's showing you the 16 tasks or the 16 assignments from now until the end of the year. So we are going to start our Unit 11 here. And the reason why I am giving you these tasks kind of individually is we are a little shorter on time than we usually are. And I have students that will be out testing on various days. So this will give all of us enough time to catch up, and we will be working individually in these live lessons. So we began this on Monday, May 17th, and it is going to be due on Tuesday, June 1st. That is the due date, and that is also the close date. These are going to be the remaining graded assignments for the entire school year. You are going to have these 16 tasks to do, and you're going to have 10 class days to complete them. You are going to have plenty of class time, so some tasks will take you 10 minutes, some will take you a little longer. Please take your time on the writing. Moving on to the next one, there is also the option to complete a bonus Unit 11 reading study guide. I have the link here. It's also posted in your grade book and in your assignments. This bonus reading study guide, very similar. You are going to save the document, and as you are reading these chapters, which are part of your task anyway, you can complete these questions for 20 extra bonus points. So that is just by completing those questions, those 20 extra bonus points, which some of you could really use. So for these tasks, these are not bonus. They are each worth 5 points. They're going to be 80 points total. I have 3 highlighted tasks below. They are going to be graded separately from this document. I have 2 of them that will require Google links, and one of them will be a seesaw assignment. You're going to type your answers directly under each question below, other than those 3 optional tasks that are going to be graded separately. You are simply going to just type right on this Word document. You're going to save your work often, so every time you complete a task, there will be no exceptions. If you can't find your work on June 1st, guess what? You're going to end up with a 0 out of 80, so make sure you are completing this. Your aim should be to complete tasks 1 through 8 the week of May 17th through the 21st, and then your other aim should be to complete 9 through 16 May 24th, and then all of them will be due the following Tuesday, June 1st. If you're out for PSSA testing, this is going to give you plenty of time to catch up on any work that you might have missed. Maybe you're out this week and maybe you only do tasks 1 through 6 this week and you're going to catch up on your other chapters next week. That's fine. Maybe you're going to be out next week and you are going to read ahead this week to make sure you have ample time. So, however, during these live lessons, I'm expecting you to application share. So yes, I'm going to give you class time to work on them. And yes, I am going to expect that you are working. Where do you start? You start with task 1. Task 1 we did on Monday. You had class time on Monday the 17th. To complete task 1, your task was to listen to or read chapter 39 and then to summarize JFK's presidency using the chapter, 5 or more complete sentences. And then you're just going to type your 5 sentences right below this line. And again, if you can't write on it, it's because you didn't save your own document. Task 2, you were given class time yesterday. You had ample time to complete both of these if you tried. Your second task was to read chapter 40. And then also there was a Mr. Betts video that I wanted you to watch about JFK. And then I asked you to answer this question here. Explain why the author titled this chapter, Being President Isn't Easy. And go on to write your response here. And then when you come to Tuesday, notice this one is highlighted. This one is going to be a little different. You're going to listen to chapter 41, but instead of responding, you are going to click on this link here, and you're going to watch another video and answer some questions that go along with the video. So this would be one of those 3 tasks that are going to be graded separately. Having said that, if you go down the list, you will notice all of these have those tentative dates. That doesn't mean you necessarily have to do them on the date, but remember, they are all due no later than June 1st. That is the very last day that you will be able to accept, I will be able to accept them. So this document here will be 65 points, and then those 3 additional highlighted tasks, they will be graded separately, and they will be 15 points. And then you also have that option to do the extra credit. All right, boys and girls, I hope this video was helpful. If you missed class on Monday and you weren't able to listen to the directions, have a great day.